Machiavelli once said, "It is better to be feared than loved if you cannot be both." The same brutal logic applies to money in Canada. The financial system is not designed to make you wealthy. It is designed to keep you manageable. Here are 10 brutal money truths every Canadian must understand before it is too late. Truth number 1. Your school was designed to create employees, not owners. The Canadian education system spent 12 years teaching you history, algebra, and literature. Not one class on taxes, not one class on investing, not one class on compound interest. This was not an accident. An educated workforce that understands money is harder to control. They taught you everything except how to be free. Truth number 2. Your bank is not your friend. It is your most sophisticated competitor. Every product your bank sells you, the mortgage, the mutual fund, the credit card, the insurance, is designed to transfer wealth from your pocket to theirs. The Big Five Canadian banks made over $50 billion in profit last year. Every single dollar came from someone who trusted them. Truth number 3. Inflation is a hidden tax that steals from you every single day. The Canadian government prints money. That money chases the same goods. Prices rise. Your savings lose value. If your money is sitting in a savings account, earning 1%, while inflation runs at 3%, you are losing 2% of your wealth every single year. Slowly, silently, without anyone ever asking your permission. Truth number 4. Your income is the most taxed thing in Canada. When you earn $1 through employment, the government takes up to 53 cents in Ontario. But when a corporation earns $1, it pays as little as 9 cents. The tax system was not built for people who work. It was built for people who own. Truth number 5. Debt is the weapon the wealthy use against the poor. Rich Canadians borrow money at 3% to buy assets that return 8%. Average Canadians borrow money at 20% on credit cards to buy things that return nothing. Same tool, completely opposite outcomes. The difference is financial education. Truth number 6. Your house is not an investment. It is a liability dressed as an asset. A true asset puts money in your pocket every month. Your house takes money out of your pocket every month through mortgage payments, property taxes, insurance, and maintenance. The bank owns your house. You own the debt. Truth number 7. Time is the only thing money cannot buy back. A Canadian who invests $500 per month starting at age 25 will have over $1.7 million by age 65. The same Canadian who starts at 35 will have only $700,000. Waiting 10 years cost $1 million. Every single day you wait is a day of compound growth you can never recover. Truth number 8. The middle class is a trap designed to keep you comfortable enough not to revolt, but poor enough never to be free. You earn just enough to pay your bills, just enough to take one vacation per year, just enough to feel like you are making progress, but not enough to ever stop working. This is not a coincidence. This is by design. Truth number 9. Most Canadians will work 40 years and retire with almost nothing. The average Canadian retires with less than $200,000 in savings. At 5% return, that generates $10,000 per year. That is not retirement. That is survival. The pension system, the CPP, the OAS, none of it was designed to make you wealthy. It was designed to keep you alive. Truth number 10. The only way out is financial education and ownership. Machiavelli said, "The wise man does at once what the fool does finally." Every day, you delay learning about money, investing in your TFSA, building multiple income streams, and owning assets is a day the system wins and you lose. The rules of money have never been taught in Canadian schools because a financially educated population is impossible to exploit. Now you know the rules. The question is what you will do with them. Calculate your exact financial situation for free at mycalchub.ca, Canada's free personal finance calculator. No sign-up, no cost, built specifically for Canadians. Subscribe to Money Mastery for weekly Canadian money truths the system never wants you to know. Build wealth, live free.